Hi everyone. In the previous video of this How to Make Money on YouTube series, I talked about my friend who makes $3,000 a month off YouTube with just a smartphone. I had promised that I would tell you about his niche and his channel, which I have found is the most profitable niche for starting YouTubers who want to be successful on YouTube. In this video, I am going to explain to you what that easy and highly profitable YouTube niche is. If you are working hard on how to make money on YouTube videos, the niche I am disclosing to you is going to be a gold mine for you. Like I hinted to you before, if you live in some rural area rather than in the big cities, there is a high chance for you to start earning from YouTube within 3 to 6 months. Even if you are not correctly located, you can work out ways to manage this shortcoming if you really want to make money off YouTube the quicker way. Now listen and watch very carefully. The video topic or niche that gives my friend $3K a month falls in the lifestyle category. Lifestyle, you might think, but I don't have a great lifestyle. I don't own sailing boats, go shopping, have lots of friends. I'm not that famous. I'm not rich or handsome or beautiful enough to flaunt my wealth and beauty. Well, don't worry. None of my friends who are making money off YouTube in the lifestyle niche have all the wealth and beauty to show off. They all come from poor families, and Mr. B, on whom I'm especially focused after working on this lifestyle niche, has already bought a DJI Mavic Mini drone and a GoPro Hero 9 with the earnings from his YouTube channel. Only last month he paid $509.8 as tax to the US government, which is 30% of his total income for that month. Wait, don't start calculating how much his total income is, because now I'm going to show you Mr. B's simple channel which gives him around 3 to 4K dollars a month. Meet Mr. B and watch his channel's page. Look at his YouTube thumbnails. Do they look like he has a lavish lifestyle to show off? No. Focus properly and you'll see that he is not showing off his lifestyle but of others. And that lifestyle is the village lifestyle. Look at other similar channels using the same keywords on their titles and thumbnails. They are all roaming around their villages and making videos with their smartphones, showing how people live, work, celebrate their festivals, their traditions, and uploading them on YouTube with good titles and thumbnails, and earning thousands of dollars for providing entertainment and information to people all around the globe. You might think, who would want to watch a poor old man cutting grass in the jungle for his goats? We thought the same, because if you live in a rural area, it's a normal routine for villagers. We are seeing it every day. But if we change our perspective a bit, these scenarios, routines, hardships, pleasures are normal for us, but for people outside the village, living in some distant lands, among the noise of the city, at the other end of the world, these videos become gold. For them, these videos bring in awe, peacefulness, sense of beauty, cultural surprises, pity, and so many more emotions because they find those videos full of calmness of village life, beautiful nature, unseen traditions, primitive lifestyle, poverty, and so many surprises in every corner. So I can categorize that YouTube recommends these village lifestyle videos to these kinds of viewers all around the world. 1. Viewers who are curious about the rural lifestyle of people around the globe. 2. Viewers who have lived in villages and want to remember those hardships. 3. Viewers who relate to that lifestyle because they have similar rural lifestyle in their own countries. 4. Viewers who like the simplicity of the village people, their hardworking habits, their honesty, their business, their poverty, and so on. And number 5. Viewers who have watched any one of the village lifestyle related blogs from any part of the world. Since the world is full of villages and people who want to watch what goes on in the villages, there's no doubt that this niche is a goldmine for YouTubers who want to earn money off YouTube by showing the rural lifestyle. That is what my friends have been doing and what I am suggesting you to do if you want to earn from YouTube faster without having to compete with big YouTubers on other very competitive niches. You need to start visual storytelling the rural lifestyle you live through. Now look at other similar channels working in the village lifestyle niche. All these channels are from Nepal and are growing rapidly, earning thousands of dollars. I've seen many other village lifestyle niche channels from India, Indonesia, Philippines, and some African countries, and some videos related to this niche from Japan and China being pushed to the viewers who have watched a video from any country or any vlog. So you can see that the village lifestyle niche is a big niche with viewers from every corner of the world. I see it as a huge income opportunity for small YouTubers living in villages or nearby. I am 100% sure Mr. B can't cover every village from Nepal in his YouTube videos, or India, or Indonesia, or Mongolia. So, simple. It's an income opportunity for you, my villager friend, wherever you are from, whether Peru or the Philippines, Bhutan or Bolivia. You just need to document your village lifestyle, upload it on YouTube, and start earning dollars. People will surely watch if you follow some basic rules. The rules Mr. B followed which made him successful on YouTube and gives him $3K per month. The rules to follow part is where this channel Dollar Tree comes in, because it is here on this channel I will give you the complete roadmap to your success with a village lifestyle niche. Please go watch my first video to know what I am going to explain in detail in my upcoming videos. Now, if you are still unsure whether this works, let's go through another channel from my other friend who followed Mr. B's niche. They even copy the same keywords and titles and their thumbnails, but still create unique content. That's why I said this village lifestyle niche can never lack unique content, because every village and villager portrayed will be unique. Their stories and lifestyles will be unique. Now watch carefully how these other friends are growing. These guys were dedicated to YouTube. They even had a DSLR camera with a gimbal, a drone and high quality microphones before they started on the village lifestyle niche. Look at the views they got on their old videos, which were a mix of fun videos, travel videos, motor vlogs and everything. Now look at their views after they started focusing on village lifestyle niche. The first month they started doing the village lifestyle niche, they said they earned around $600. Before that, they were stuck at around $60 for a year. They hadn't been able to reach the $100 payment threshold. Now they are earning above 1K. See the differences in views and earning. To understand how this village lifestyle niche is a dollar tree that grows money, let's compare the channel Vijay Limbu with Nepal's very popular YouTuber Sisan Bania. Sisan Bania's vlogs feature celebrities. He takes helicopter rides, has professional cameramen and editors, and has very expensive gear, has a lot of views on his videos, and is near to 1 million subscribers. Now compare their earning. The estimated monthly earning as shown by Social Blade for Mr. B starts from $1K to $16K. Sisan Bania's estimated monthly earning is from $487 to $7K. We know for a fact that Mr. B earns around $3K a month, and last month he made $4K. We aren't sure about the exact amount Sisan Bania earns, but it could be somewhere in between $2K to $3K per month. See the difference? To add more, Mr. B started this all with just a Redmi Note 6 Pro mobile phone. The easiest explanation for this difference in earning is the variety of viewers for both channels. Most of Sisan Bania's viewers are from Nepal, but Mr. B's channel is viewed from various corners of the world. I hope you know the basic fact that the more Europeans and Americans watch your videos, the more you earn, and most of them, since they live in developed cities, are surely curious about how people still live in the villages, how's their lifestyle, culture, traditions, their poverty, nature and all the things we, people from those poor countries, think is normal and not worth showing. The other advantage of village lifestyle niche is that sometimes viewers feel pity for the people depicted in the video and want to help them. especially they want to sponsor the kids with their education. Mr. B has already been approached with such requests, and just recently, a kind guy from Austria helped a family through him. Isn't that great? So guys, this rural lifestyle niche is not only profitable for you, it could also help those who are depicted in the videos. But we should also understand that documenting is not begging, or documentaries should not be begging videos. Well, that's another topic for discussion. But if you are a villager living among different ethnicities following primitive work routines with interesting and unseen traditions and festivals, going through physical hardships for agriculture, education and health, then you can document them through your smartphone and earn money from YouTube, just like Mr. B. Remember the mantra, people will always love to watch how other people live. If you have decided on being a successful YouTuber by showing the rural lifestyle, please subscribe to my channel for more videos where I will show you how exactly Mr. B does his thing. The very important tips I'm going to provide have been tested and proved successfully, and so far they are favored by YouTube's algorithm. My next video will be on how he takes his video, edits them, his gear, his tricks and his posting schedule. Don't miss out.